But yeah, I'm basically gonna go munch on some Subway, cause you know, it makes me happy. It makes me not want to kill myself because I'm not eating McDonald's. I was this close to eating McDonald's. Luckily, my fat ass said, you know what? Nah. Love yourself. State your name and your occupation.
My name is Miguel Gonzalez. I'm a savage animal on the weekends, during the week. Depends actually if I have work or not.
Alright, so basically, call Marquez Jose.
You have the same face?
Oh yeah. The reason why we have that emoji is because
Yeah, we don't know sometimes, man.
hey, fuck you, fool.
Hey, what?
Hey, bro. Hey, I'm outside.
Any wings?
He's like, I'm about to.
Oh nah, I'm just fucking. Nah, I'm with Mickey G right now.
Oh. Yeah, where you guys at though?
We're at the theaters. The Church of Pussy, is that where you're at? This was fucking with the line. Look at this food doing.
You have reached the voicemail box of.
Cha.
Right.
You have reached the voicemail box of.
Man, what a fiend, man. Alright, let's dip that.
Is this POV?
State your name and your occupation.
Jose, ass eater. By profession.
Alright, that's all I needed to know.
100 I eat ass.
Movie about? It's like eating ass and shit. 9-course meal. She could be my baby.
I'll make you a title if you do that shit, man.
Ah! It's a ghost!
It's our souls leaving and shit. Fuck. The savagery.
Still, Brody, look at this. I'm just minding my own business. Oh, what's up, bro?
Hey, what's up, man? Oh shit, Jose.
Oh shit,
Stop talking shit about
I'm gonna piss on your hat.
Fuck this one. Alright then, bros. Bro, tell me why like halfway this movie, this was like, hey, I don't know what the fuck I was watching.
Halfway the movie, I was like, I should stay home. Man, he did
This fool popped out with a fucking. Why did you pop that shit out in the movie theater, bro?
God,
I think we were the only ones like mainly laughing.
Like a group of people in the back, like, man, fuck these fools. Like, why y'all so loud? $5, I'm sold. Yo, fuck Jose, let's leave.
I'll show you see it.
Oh man, fuck out of here. I know what I'm buying Jose for Christmas. This is for Mickey G. That's for me. You're not down to open one of those bags and just munch on them.
Hey, crunchy. I don't like that shit.
Dude, he legit just opened that shit and not even take a bite. Like,
He's excited.
yeah, these, I mean, they fucking better for $2.50. Alright, that's it for today's vlog. Follow me on Twitter. Fuck these savages. But yeah, see you next time. Fucking locos.